Hello teachers, today I'm here to help you with your phonics sounds and motions. B, bat, b. C, can, k. P, pig, p. D, dog, d. G, goat, g. T, tiger, t. F, fish. H, hat. J, jam, j. S, sun, s. W, web. L, leaf, l. M, map, m. N, nest, n. R, rabbit, r. V, violin, v. Y, yellow, y. Z, zebra, z. Q, queen, qu. X, box, x. WH, whistle. SU, treasure, j. NG, ring, mm. CH, chip, ch. SH, sheep, sh. TH, mother, th. TH, thumb. A, apple, ah. E, edge, eh. I, itch, I. O, ox, ah. U, up, A, apron, A. E, eagle, E. I, iris, I. O, open, O. U, unicorn, U. A, banana, A. AW, straw, aw. OW, cow, ow. OO, spoon, ooh. OO, book, OY, toy, oi. AR, star, R. OR, fork, or. ER, fern, Thank you, teachers. Enjoy teaching.